you're handling accounting with QuickBooks. But selling with Shopify, neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, every time a Shopify order comes in, automatically create the customer record in QuickBooks. Or when new customers join your Shopify store, instantly add them to QuickBooks for seamless accounting. Or even, whenever QuickBooks generates a new invoice, tag the corresponding Shopify customer for better organization. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and Shopify, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.